So hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Engineering Chronicles of Plant Design. So we are still on Chronicle number 3, which is Basics of AutoCAD, and we are moving on part 5 of this video. So earlier of the video, we have covered line, polyline, circle, arc, command, rectangular, ellipse. We have covered copy, we have covered move. So let us go with the stretch command. So what is stretch command? For example, you have rectangle over here, and you have to stretch this rectangle from this point to this point. So one way of doing is select this point, go here, it is happened. Otherwise, other way of doing is select this, select stretch command, midpoint to this midpoint, not coming. So again, select this point, give stretch, and then give dimension till what you want to give. So I'll give 220 mm, enter. This has come stretch command. This is the way you stretch the object, okay, of stretching the object from one point to another. So what is trim? But in the trim you have two, trim and extend. So what is extend? So I want to extend this line from here to here, okay. So the command is ex, extend, or you can go in the trim, next to trim, go here, select extend, okay. What is asking? First you select the object you want to trim, extend. So since I have not done a session of object earlier, so directly it will go till this point. If I select here, it will go till here. So if I select this line, it will go till next object, this is here. So the better way is select the object, give extend command, enter, then you select the boundary edges. What is boundary edges? So if I select boundary edges here now, if I give enter, so this line will extend only till here. If even if I clicking again and again, it will not go to any other boundary. This is one option. So the other option is extend. It will go to, if I'm extending only, I've not set the object, I've give extend. Again, if I say extend, it will go here, it will go here, it will keep on going. It will keep on going like this, okay. So better to select object first, give extend command, enter, boundary edge. This is my boundary edge till where I want to extend the line, and then select, sorry, this shift and this space, enter, and then you give selection. That is the one way of doing the extension. So now you line this line, you see I have made a line, but I don't want to have line after this line, so I want to trim this. So how to do is, the one way of doing is select the line, move it down, move it down. So other way is go here, trim, and you give cutting edges, trim, enter, give one more enter, click, it will go, okay. So just trim, double enter, double enter, trim, double enter, it will go. If you don't trim this, it will go. Between this, it will go. Between this, it will go. Okay. This is how you do trim. So let's move with the other, which is rotate. Command rotate. So now at the rate 500 less than 45 degree. Okay. This has come here. So I have 45-degree angle line, but I want to move this 45 degree to 90 degree more. So this line will come over here, right? I set ortho. So I want to rotate this line from here to here. So what I will do, select it, go to rotate command, click the base point and give angle as 90 degree, enter, it will come here. Okay, this is one way of doing it. So you have to give enter, it will go. So next is, for example, this whole block I want to move. I have taken 4 columns and 3 rows. I want to change it. Four rows and 3 columns. Select this, give rotate, enter, select any base point. Since we are in ortho, if it is not in ortho now, it will be moving with any angle. Okay. Since we're in ortho, it will move only 90 degree. So if I click over here in the downwards, see the angle has been changed. This is what we call as rotated command. So mirror. So I have moved this line here, right? So but I want to keep this line and I want to make one more line over here, exactly opposite to this. What we can do, we select this line, we select mirror. So what it says, first mirror line. This is my first mirror line. This is my second mirror line. Give enter. It will be mirror line, mirror image. Automatically it will go over there. So again I will show you what is mirror line. So I want to mirror this line exactly with this. For example, if you are standing over here, you are watching yourself on this mirror. So how you will see yourself, that is how mirror works. Select this line, mi command, enter, specify first mirror line, second mirror line can be anywhere, can be this, can be this, can be this, because first mirror line, second mirror line, it will take continuous complete plane. So I'll click anywhere on this line. So what is next? Erase the object, yes or no. If you give no, so this will also remain, this will also come. If you give yes now, so the original object will erase and it will come over here. That is a mirror command. So one more is scale. So now we have a circle which is diameter of around 142, but now you want to change this 142 to 150 mm. So how to do this? So for that we have scale command. So scale you can select from here, or you can give SC, enter, select the object, enter, then base point. Let me select this base point, okay, or center base point, or this base point. So whatever you select now, from that base point only it will get scaled up. So if I'm selecting circle, center, enter. So what is asking? It is asking copy or reference, but I want to just give twice the scale. If I give twice the scale, so 142 will become 284. If you want to check, it will become 284. That is, yeah. So because if for decimal point, it has become 283.99. So but now I want to change it to 142, right? It is 142, but I want to change it to 150. So how to do that? So in that case, just go select the object, enter the base point from where we want to do scale, because see, this is a base point. Now you can see clearly here, because from this base point it is going, getting scale up, this is scale up or scale down. So now you have option of reference. If you click reference now, so what it says, reference, click specify reference length, that is 142. The reference is 142, right? The diameter of circle. How much you want to change? You want to change to 150. If you give 150, enter. So now if you go to dimension and check this, it will become 149. This is 150 mm. Okay. So that is all about this command. So just keep on liking my video and subscribe to my channel. I'll put more videos about AutoCAD in the further sessions. Thank you.